Hello, hello. I am very randomly doing a mini so haul that nobody asked for. And while I'm doing that, I'll also be talking about my thoughts with the outrage around the Ghibli art that is going on Instagram and LinkedIn and social media in general. So if you don't know about it, ChatGPT has recently released its 4.0 integration, which basically you can ask it to generate your photos in Ghibli style. And people have been showing a lot of outrage about it because the artist behind Ghibli art, Hayao 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 Miyazaki, has publicly called AI an insult to life itself and that he would never integrate that in his work. And he has actually spent years of his life hand drawing everything. People in the Ghibli studio, they hand draw every scene of every movie. That's why it takes so many years, so many months to make one movie. So people are like, AI can generate it in one go. So where's the respect to art about it? Also, let's do my Miniso haul on the side. First thing I got was this enchanted strawberry, uh, enchanted orchard strawberry. It's a car diffuser. I've used the Miniso car diffuser before. I love the smell. It's so good. So this one is the first item. Uh, a refill. I haven't smelled it, so I don't know how it's gonna smell. Should I do a smell test? Why not? So yeah, people have been really getting mad that AI is stealing Ghibli's art. But what about the thousands of writers whose work ChatGPT has already stolen? Like, do you know that there is a lawsuit that hundreds of writers they have put writers like James Patterson, George R. Martin, Jodi Picoult, they have actually sued Meta's Llama AI model that has like taken their work from LibGen. LibGen is a place where you can download books for free online and trained its AI to write in the style of all these authors, and they have sued Meta for that. But even if the courts rule in the author's favor, what's going to happen? AI has already learned how they put their words together. So even if these writers win, AI has already won. So it's a pointless battle against AI. Oh, let's smell it. Mm, this smells like food. I want to drink it. Bad idea, Anangsha. Bad idea. Anyway, I'm here in my childhood home. That's why I'm wearing this random assortment of clothes, sitting in my yoga mat because I don't have my shooting gear. But I want to make this video quickly and share it with you. So, the first item is this a strawberry car diffuser that I got from Miniso. This is the second time I'm buying a car diffuser. I loved the first time so much that I have already finished it. I think lasted me about 2 months. So this is the next refill. All right. So coming back to Ghibli and AI. So AI has already stolen the work of so many writers, and there's nothing we can do about it. I mean, yeah, we can cry about it. We can be heartbroken. But where would that lead us? That's a question for you to answer. Let me know in the comments. This is the second thing that I bought. This is also a car diffuser. It's the vanilla flavor. It's called Sweet Memories. Excited to smell this. The writers that I talked about, they are the ones who are the rich writers, like George Martin and James Patterson. They're the ones who are popular, whose work has been there on the internet for a long time. But what about the thousands of bloggers like me, like you? I have written 1,000+ articles that are available on Google, on Medium. So I'm sure some large language model must have trained itself on my work as well. How would I even know that? There is no way for me to sue a multi-billion-dollar company like OpenAI. So what can I do? Studio Ghibli is getting the visibility because they are like popular, well known, well respected. But what about these thousands of copywriters, designers whose works have already been quietly stolen by AI and nobody is even there to speak up about them? What about these people? Oh God, this is so good. This might be my favorite. Okay, I love this. This is the vanilla flavor car diffuser from Miniso, and the company is called Sweet Memories. Obviously, they're not sponsored. I just love spending my money. I mean, I have no self control when I go to a Miniso. I end up buying all these cute stuff. I have so many cute things. at my home from Miniso. I wish this was a sponsored post. I mean, hey Miniso, if you're watching this, would you like to sponsor me? I don't mind doing 10 other haul videos for you. This one is a eye hydrating mask, Rose. I have used like 2 3 times. I love this. Whenever I go on vacation, I take these eye under eye hydrating masks with me because they are easy and lazy self care. All you have to do is wash your face, put some toner, put these hydrating masks beneath your eyes, and you wake up with a glowy skin. um, okay, so talking more about AI and more about Ghibli, so it's easy for people to show outrage about Ghibli art because they have been following Ghibli's work for years. They've been watching movies like Spirited Away since they were children. Same with me. Your anger is justified, but your anger shouldn't be directed towards the people who are using ChatGPT to generate Ghibli art because these people have not done anything wrong. If you feel anger, your anger should be towards these multi-billionaires who are taking all these decisions that are affecting people's lives so much. Now, I don't want to go on a rant, I don't want to start any conspiracy theory, but you know what I'm talking about, right? Like, your friend might have followed the trend on Instagram and bought a ChatGPT subscription and put their Ghibli art online. But your friend is not the one who's the villain. Your friend isn't stealing work from Ghibli. OpenAI is doing that. So if you're shaming your friend, you need to think where to direct your anger because clearly there is some mismatch happening here. Anyway, these are pimple patches. I have never tried pimple patches before. I actually have a pimple here, so I might actually do it live on camera with you. God, this is so distracting. How do people talk about something cool while doing their makeup or doing unhaul videos? I'm just getting distracted by two things simultaneously happening. Is it an ADHD trait? What is this? uh, how to use it? Okay, so got it. Not rocket science. I think I need to put some music in the video so that it's not as bad. I put a pimple patch on my face for the first time, feeling very fancy. I will let you know if it works. Let's do the other unhauling. These are some face masks. I love the Miniso face masks. I usually buy like 10 of them. Each one costs 60 rupees. So 10 are 600. Peptide, hyaluronic acid, black bubbles, vitamin C, papaya, aloe vera, the usual suspects. Whatever I see on the rack, I get them. Pomegranate, ginseng, vitamin A, and berry. I love face masks. I use them almost every day. And this is the last thing that I got. This is a sunscreen spray, SPA 50 plus 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 blue light and easy reapplication. So usually when I go on holidays, I feel I need a spray sunscreen because when you're sweaty and when you have to reapply sunscreen in the middle of the day, like applying lotion feels very icky. But if it's in the spray form, it's just you just spray it all over your body and that's it. So yeah, that's all I got from Miniso. Last item in this bag is a sports shoe cleaner. I got this from Bata. This is not from Miniso, but it was in the same mall. And I took my own bag, trying to protect the environment and all that. Uh, my dad had got a shirt from this brand, and since I knew I was going to shop, so I took this bag with me, saved some one-time plastic whatever. So yeah, so these were my thoughts about AI stealing Ghibli art and who you should direct your anger on, and why I don't think that being angry on your friends for following a trend is justified because your friends are not at fault. But I would love to hear your thoughts on it. What do you think about the whole AI stealing art concept? Why are people waking up now that it's Ghibli, someone popular like Ghibli? Why not a year back when AI was stealing the work of every blogger who has published their work online? Why is the outrage coming now? Where is the mismatch? Is it because Ghibli's art is more valuable than my work, which I wrote with my sweat and blood and tears online? How do you measure what's valuable? Do you measure it by fame? I would love to hear your thoughts, because there is no right or wrong answer to this. We don't know if being angry is justified or not. We are just cogs in the wheel. We don't even make decisions. The decisions are made by the people who have billions and billions of dollars. We are just puppets being toyed with. But again, I don't want to go down that trajectory. So this was a very impromptu video. I hope you enjoyed this Miniso haul. I hope you enjoyed hearing my thoughts on AI stealing art. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Please do let me know. I'll see you again super soon. Bye.